So in this playlist we will see and we will learn React. So stay tuned. So what is React? React is a popular JS library, as you all know, and it is being maintained by Facebook, and it's a tool used for making single page applications. So if you don't know what is a single page app, just don't be scared. It just means it loads at a single time and all the work is handled by JavaScript, whether to move from one page or one route to another. I know this is quite a new topic for all of you, so don't get scared. We will learn all of this stuff in our later videos. What is routing? What does browser router do? And so our main focus for this video is installing nodejs. So what is nodejs? Nodejs is a runtime environment for JavaScript. Okay, so we will learn about nodejs in different videos in our merge stack videos. So that is for separate backend sessions. But currently now download just nodejs. So what I will do, I will move on to the website of nodejs.org. So you can access this website and download the LTS version because it is recommended for most users. Currently now 19.3.0 version is being uh, updated, so you can download it, but I recommend this version 18.12.1. So I've downloaded in my system, so I don't require it. Okay, so you can download it and install it. It's an easy task. So after downloading it, just open command prompt and type node minus minus version. So it will show which version you are using. Currently I am using 16.18.0. Okay, so you can check it.
So I recommend you to download some extensions also. So go to VS Code and select this tab by extensions and type on ES7 React Redux extensions. I have pre-installed them, so you can also install these. So what this will do, I will explain in the later part of this video. Okay, just download these extensions which I am recommending to you. So these are certain extensions. I will also tell you one more extension. So one more extension is bracket pair colorizer. So what it will do, it will just tell us about where our bracket is closing and where it is opening by. So it is quite confusing in our code and we sometimes get confused which bracket is uh, from where it is opening or closing. So this is a most helpful extension for us. So I recommend you to download this extension. And there is one more extension which I recommend, auto rename tag. So auto rename tag is one extension. So sometimes we tend to forget the closing tag. So what this extension will do, this will help us to close those tags automatically, because we sometimes tend to forget these small things and it will create an error in our code. So I recommend you to download this. And there is one more extension which I think you must have downloaded as you are using VS Code. So live server. Okay, so what live server will do, it will create a static page and then it will help us to visualize our code and our components which we will make in our React projects in our browser. And there is one more extension, prettier. Okay, so I recommend you to download this. It's a code formatter for our React. So this is a helpful extension. Okay, So our task is done. So I will explain you what ES7 extension will do. I will just create a component, and in component I will name a file. So when I will press RAFCE, it is not coming, RAFCE. So what it will do, it will create a functional component for us. So it's a very helpful extension. It will create us a boilerplate when we type RAFCE. So it will create us a functional component that we will uh, use for building components in React. So don't get scared by these terms, functional component or class components. We will learn in our later on videos what these are. Currently our focus in this video is for installing nodejs and nodejs only. So we will install React in our next video, so stay tuned.